Alright, first thing you're going to want to do is remove the hard drive. Simply just push this button right here in and pull up. Snaps right off. Sit that down. Next step is to remove the faceplate. Simply put both of your thumbs in this little slot and push up. Comes right off. Next thing you're going to want to do is remove the side panels. And you can do this just by using any sharp object or tool and press the little slots. This side right here is always the easiest. This one is kind of complicated. First thing you have to do is stick the screwdriver in. You're going to basically have to feel for the slot, nudge it a little bit, comes right up. Do the other side, comes right up. Then you're basically going to do the same thing you did to the first slot. Take the sharp object or tool or whatever you're using and poke the slots up. Give it a little pull. Don't worry about it. You can't really break them. They come right off. It's taking the cover off. You're going to simply take your screwdriver, place it into each one of the holes and press down. As you can see the slots. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So in all it's 6 total slots that you have to press. And when you press them down, simply give it a little push to try to separate them. Separate the top from the bottom cover. Start with the one with the 4 slots first, or 5 slots first. I'm sorry. Okay, once you get that up, flip the Xbox 360 over. If you haven't removed the warranty seal, go ahead and remove it now. Okay, now you have 1, 2, 3, 4. You have 4 slots that you have to poke out. Okay, you can do this with pretty much anything. You could do it with the flathead screwdriver. Just pop them up and use your thumb to kind of press it down so that way they can separate. Okay, once you get the top off, you have to get the screws out. Get your drill or hand screwdriver, whatever you're using. Go ahead and take them out. Okay, once you get that done, once you have all the screws at the bottom taken out, then simply remove the eject button and it comes right up. Just tug it a little. Matter of fact, you can take a flathead screwdriver, whatever, pull it up a little. The top comes right off. Okay, next you have to remove the RF modulator, or the power button, however you like to call it. Simply pop the white tab off. Then you have to remove 3 screws using the same size bit drill from the small 8 screws. It's 2 cables you have to remove, the SATA and the data cable. They come right up. Just give them a little wiggle. They'll come right out. The ends. Sit that.